And it's a good day, beautiful souls. A day to live in peace, love, and harmony. I am your girl, Divine Soul Love Frequencies, here to share the truth unapologetically. Now breathe. Breathe and feel what it means to be free. That's how free you are. Alive and well. In full control of your avatars. Let's go. Remember, you create your realities. So, what you believe, you receive. So, believe in beauty, love, joy, peace, and harmony, and the abundant life overflowing. And that's what you receive. So, I just want to ask a question that I want to give an answer to. Before there were pills and medication, what did mankind use to cure their illnesses, their mental and physical illnesses? Can somebody tell me? Well, let's go back into my ancestry lineage, where we didn't need pills and we didn't need medication. We didn't need things that were sugar coated or were made to taste bitter or whatever to seem that it was helpful to the body. All we needed was nature. And we needed nature to heal. And we use nature to calm ourselves, to relax our minds, and to rejuvenate our energy. In those days, we used to walk barefoot a lot, so we were much more connected to Gaia than now, because it's like a curse to walk barefoot. When I walk in the road barefoot, people be like, "Girl, you're afraid this and you're afraid that, stick up in my foot." I ain't afraid nothing, because that's where I come from. Why should I afraid the very thing that is curing my body and taking care of me? As simple as walking barefoot. Another way we used to get cures, and we are talking about physical cures, because the first one was more mental, where you sit in a meditation and you relieve yourself. You can literally hear the things that disturb you mentally, and you relieve yourself by affirming to yourself, so that the subconscious mind would rid itself of the toxins that the mind creates on its own, because the heart would have kicked in and be very compassionate for itself and relieve itself of the toxins of mental illnesses. The other thing I was touching base on is physical healing. Now, if we would have gotten cut or something happened while we were outdoors or anything like that, we would have used medicine to help. Not medicine. I don't want to use that term medicine because I don't want to get confused with what it is, medicinal and pills and all that. We would have used herbs to heal these things, and they would work very fast and efficient and not take a prolonged period to heal. And it didn't have to use more than one dose to heal. Like antibiotics, is had to use a whole 7 days before anything heal. And really and truly, The mind is so powerful that it could light itself. I could take the tablet and you tell yourself, oh, this is what healing me, and it's really the mind healing the body. Everything is mental, right? We tend to use our mental capabilities in the wrong way, in a negative way. And I always talk about be compassionate to yourself. Speak compassionate words in your life. I have had two injuries recently, one on my shoulder, on this shoulder, and one on my left knee. And they were both physical, but also mental. And the minute I started to treat myself with ginger teas and cloves and all these different things, is the minute my body started to heal. Plus, I had to speak to myself and tell myself, look, girl, it's all mental. This too shall pass and the body will heal. And now it's been 2 months for my knee, and it's been 3 months, no, almost 3 to 4 months for my shoulder, and I'm fully recovered. I'm fully recovered, 100%. Another thing is, be careful of your words, because by you saying, I have this and I have that and I have the other, you just prolonging and promoting your illnesses. Your words have power. What you say about yourself is what you will receive. Another thing, diet and exercise. I love to stress on diet and exercise. If you don't move your body stores all your energy. And I'm talking about the negative energy. Your body stores negative energy. If you don't move your body, if you don't release yourself, if you don't get rid of your stresses or the things that hold you back in life mentally, you will create blockages in your body. And blockages could feel like back pains, tummy pains, neck pains, chest pains, just pain. Sometimes pain, you don't know what's the reason for the pain. But I'm telling you now what's the reason for the pain. Those reasons are blockages in the body. When you don't vent and say what's on your mind, when you sit and think about what others think about you, and when you talk negatively to yourself, these things create blockages in your body. I'm here to tell you today, you can master it. Yeah, I'm living proof. I walked through hell. I'm back. And I feel so freaking amazing because I've let go resistance and allow everything to move through me. So I could free myself. I could free myself from the spaces that I've been in and the toxicity that held me down. Keep on thinking about why it is this happen and why it is that happen and what it is I do wrong and all these different things, and life going on and pain starting up in my body. Now I'm relaxed and it is bringing freedom in my life. Freedom to not give a fuck about anybody and their opinions, and I'm only the people vibrating on my frequency. And I'm talking about vibrating on my frequency, because my frequency is love. People have a tendency to say that, think that, oh, you playing lovable and all that kind of thing, and that's how you react or that's how you respond to, not react, that's how you respond to people. Yes, sometimes I don't even have to say anything to you. Or I just tell you my mind. You understand? What on my heart, that coming from my mind. And people think that because you are straightforward and you put them in a place that you're heartless. Let me tell you something. I'm like a rose, and when you sniff me, the beauty and the fragrance that you get from me can't compare to any other. But I have thorns that will prick you if you get beside yourself. So, don't ever let anybody tell you who you are. And don't ever think that you are other than who you are. I'm both positive and negative polarity. Yeah? Together, I vibe on my love frequency because is in loving myself, I speak the truth of myself. And I ain't got time for nobody to tell me otherwise. I would say, when you come in, come correct. Because I could sniff out your BS when you come to me. And you have that power too. Channel it and use it wisely. I am your girl, Divine Soul Love Frequencies, here to share the truth unapologetically. And I don't give a damn what you think about me, because I know my truth will reveal in this reality. Do have a beautiful, beloved day, just as you are. And hit that like button down there if you love this content, because I'm going to keep it real with you. Yeah? And remember, you create your reality. Sit and visualize, internalize what you wish to see. Because you are magic. I love you all.